Welcome to today's tutorial. We'll be making a very simple design together. So now I'm in my canvas. So you click on the canvas, click on your canvas so that you can change the color. We need a gradient background. So when you click on your canvas, just click on it. Then you click on color down here. You can see replace page 2 styles. Click on color. So when you click on color, you can see your various colors here. So we are going to click on this plus icon here. You're going to click on this. And then you select gradient down here. Select gradient. Okay, so you can see different styles of the gradient. You can see different styles. So we'll be making use of this first one here. So we're going to change the second color. The first color is white, second color is ash, but we'll change it. It's gray, so we'll change it to orange. Change it to orange. Okay. So I need something like this. I need something like this. Okay. So this is what I want. We are done with that. So next thing is to upload what we need for our design. So click outside of your canvas. Click outside of your canvas. Then you go to upload. When you go to upload, you see upload files. Okay, upload files. So now you can upload what you want from your gallery. So you click on the one you want to upload, and it will automatically upload into your Canva app. So now after the upload is finished, I can now click on it and use it for my design. Okay, so wait for it to load. Okay, so here is it. This is what I want to use for my design. So you make it bigger. Okay, so you place it this way and make it big. Place it this way. Okay, so this is what I want. This is what I want. Okay, so now you're going to click on the image, and then down here scroll down to shadows. Scroll down to shadows. So you click on shadows, and then you add a glow. Now we click on glow. What you will do to edit it, click on it again. You click on it again. You see it? So you click on your glow, click on it again to edit it. Okay, so now you see what we have here. Sorry, so click on it to edit it. Reduce the size. Reduce the size to 5. Also reduce the blur amount to 10. Okay, and then increase the intensity a little to 55. Okay, so this is what I want, and then make it to fit in very well. Okay, okay, so this is what I want, and I've gotten that. Make sure you do the same thing. So now let's add our text. So you go to text here, add a heading, and then we're going to type in what we want to add. Design. Okay, so this is what I want to add. Now you go to your format, click on format, then align it to the left. You can see align to right, align to middle, align to left. So keep it aligned to the left. Okay, so it's now aligned to the left. You duplicate it. I've shown us how to. Okay, click here, and then you duplicate with this here. You use this to duplicate. Click on it, you duplicate it, and then go to edit down here, and then you edit to add without stress. Okay, so this is what I want. So click on it again and go to advanced, and then reduce the line spacing to 1. Okay, so this is what I want. Good. Okay, so now let's change the color. Make sure it is aligned very well with the design. Okay, you can see now they are all aligned. So now let's change the color. For this design here, I need another color. Okay, so this is the color I'm using for the design. Okay, so I can now go back and then add my outline. So I'm going to select both of them and then add outline for both of them. So you click on one of it, click on the 3 dots up here, click on this 3 dot up here. So when you click on this 3 dot up here, click on select multiple. Okay, and then you click on the other one without stress. So you see that both of them are now selected. I can decide to group them, but I don't want to group them. I just want to edit the 2 of them together. So both of them are now selected. If you did not see what I did very well, make sure you watch it again. So I'll now go to effect, and then I want to use an outline. So I'll click on outline, click on outline again to edit it. Then click on color down here, click on this color and change the color to white. Go back with this arrow, go back, and then reduce the thickness to 25. Then you can now go back. We are done with that. So the next thing is to click outside of your canvas, go to elements and search for round outline. round outline. Okay, see more, see all for graphics. See under, go to graphics, so you see all for graphics. Okay, I'm looking for a particular outline. I can't find it here. I can't find it. Okay, so let's use this one here. Let's use this one. Oh, this one, those of you that do not have Canva Pro, you'll not be able to select it, but just make sure you select something similar to it. Okay, so I'll put it here, and then okay, so I'll go to my text again, add a subheading, and then I'll add what I want to add using Canva. Okay, so this is what I want. And then for this one, I don't want it bold again, so go to your format, and then see this B here is for bold, I is for italize, underline, strike through, and then to capitalize. Okay, so all I want is just to make it not to be bold. Initially it was bold, but I don't want to make it bold, so I'll click on it to uncheck it. Okay, so I'll go to advanced now, and then reduce the line spacing. Okay, so this is what I want. Okay, see, make sure you align very well at the middle of the outline. See now, it's aligned at the middle. Okay, so that's for that. The next thing now is to add the last text I want. So instead of adding text, I will simply duplicate this one. Okay, you can see now I've duplicated it, and then click on edit. Okay, so I cannot add the text I want to add. Okay, simple and easy to use, even as a beginner. Okay, so this is what I want to add, but it is not okay this way. I have to make it fitting into my design. So what I will do is to reduce the size, then go to format, align it to the left. Okay, so this is what I have now. So what I will do now is to still make it to fit in my design. So what I will do is to use this here, this white thing here. So I'll use it to make it to get what I want. Okay, so this is what I want. So now I can now move it here. Okay, so this is what I want. And okay, so now I still need to add something down here, so I have to move all of these, my write-up, up a little. So I'm going to select multiple and select all of them. You understand? So click on one of it, click on the three dots up here as I've shown us before, and then select multiple. You select all your write-ups. Okay, so I can move all of them upwards together. So I'll click on nudge, and then move up. You can see all of them are moving together now. Okay, you can see. Okay, so this is what I want, and it's okay now. So next thing is to add, go to element, search for phone frame, search. Okay, so you go to frames, you can see different kinds of phone frames, so you can select the one that will fit your design. Okay, so I'm going with this one here, so I'm going with that. Okay, so I'm going to slant it a little. Okay, so then since I've added it, next thing I'm going to do is to go to my gallery and then upload the picture I want to add to the phone frame. So I'll go to my gallery. If I want to add anything, I'm going to upload it there. So I'm going to add this picture. You can choose any picture of your choice to add there. So I'm going to move this picture now up here. You can see it, and automatically to be added into the phone frame. You did not see what I did. I click on the photo I want to add to the phone, and then move it down to where the phone is. Automatically it is added, and then our design is ready. It's ready. So next thing is to download our design. So we are going to click on this icon here. Then you see download. So you download. So you are going to download this as PNG. You see that transparent background is checked, so you have to uncheck it. And here there are two pages, so I'm going to download only this current page. Okay, so it's ready. Click on download, and then our design is actually ready. So you wait for it to prepare your design. It's actually preparing it. So you wait for it. It's done preparing it. So we can now go to our gallery, and then we can see our design here. It's ready. So this is it. So that's just how to make this flyer. It's very simple. It's not hard. So make sure you do your own step by step, follow it gradually. Anywhere you don't understand, watch it again until you get it. It's not hard. So if you have any question, you can also drop it. I'll give opportunity for you to ask questions. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.